gonna see how long it takes to clean this injector. This is my DEF injector for my truck right here, for my Dodge 5500. And I gotta clean this out every month. Yes, I am getting tired of it. They need to come out with the new system or something. But meanwhile, I need to clean this once a month, or depending how much time depending on how often I use the truck. So this is my spare one. This was still good. I bought a new one about a year ago, thinking it was the injector, but no, these got to be cleaned. So what I have right now is some warm water, WD-40, and 10 millimeter socket. That's all you need. I'm gonna see if I could do this in 2 minutes, but I know you guys see my other videos. I had to disconnect the 2 wires. I'm gonna do it without disconnecting. That way you guys get back on the road in 2 minutes. See the light right over here? Engine light on because of the injector. Okay. And the injector is right here, guys. So you got 2 bolts right here. I'm going to take this side off and this side off. These 2 wires right here. Let me see if you can see. This one and this one. Sometimes if you don't know how to unclip them, you'll break that little plastic thing. So you got to be careful. So we're not going to deal with those 2 wires. Show you a better way of doing this. Start the timer. See how fast we do this. Trying to get back on the road. I got 2 minutes. I'm going to be late for my delivery. It would have been faster with the impact gun. All right, here we go. It might be over 2 minutes. Okay, it's coming off. Now I'm going to use warm water. Notice I left the wires connected. See how it's cleaning itself? Okay. Just try not to spill that water on you. All right, I think that'll do it right there. That's pretty warm right there. That's it. See if you can see this. Yeah, it's clean. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see this right here. I'm sticking my finger here. Need a little bit of water, and that's it. All right. Shoot a little bit of WD-40. Get you back on the road. It might be 3 minutes.
Now you put the WD-40 on the bolts, right? Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so okay. Okay, that's it. What's the time?
3 minutes, 10 seconds.
Okay, so that's not bad. Less than 4 minutes, you can back on the road. Start the truck, and I know that engine light's going to be still on, which is yeah, see right there. I'm gonna delete it. Hook up my scanner with this. I'm gonna clear the code. You could drive it. Sometimes it'll clear by itself, but if it stays on, you could actually delete it. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my truck but leave the ignition on. I'm going to erase this. Yes. Okay. All right, now I'll start the truck again. Okay. So every 3 weeks I got to do this. 3 weeks. Sometimes I don't use this, sometimes I do, but you know, I'm just trying to help you guys out, you know, different ways of doing this. Even if when you clean the def injector and that engine light don't turn off, you could erase it from these scanners right here. So hope this video helps you out. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll keep this in here all the time. I don't often use it though. I do use it if the engine light doesn't turn off.